everyone, welcome back to another video of Salesforce Makes Sense. This is Himanshu and we are going to start our Lightning Web Components Masterclass. Right after I completed the Apex Masterclass, and while I was working on the Apex tutorials, the primary demand from all of you was, let's move into LWC. That's the next best thing. We need tutorials on that. We need good tutorials on that. And that's why both you and I are here, and I have it all on paper, I have it all on the content planner, and we are going to begin Lightning Web Components Masterclass. This is going to be another big use case, another big set of series of videos, not just, a very small set, but my idea would be to start from the very basics and kind of make sense of every foundational topic that you need, and then move on to complex things and kind of enable you to independently work on LWC related concepts, be it in your business, be it in your engineering department, be it in your development or your implementation projects. All right, that's the whole idea. Thank you for being so patient, and thank you for putting up a lot of comments around we do need LWC videos, we need videos that really make sense, and the kind of comments and the kind of support that you guys keep putting on the channel and everywhere, be it WhatsApp, be it LinkedIn, that's really good, and I'm very grateful for that. And with that motivation and with that inspiration, I have prepared this curriculum which is around Lightning Web Components. We'll start easy, we'll build our concepts, and then we'll jump into the real deal. All right, that's the whole idea. What you have to do in the next 4 to 6 months to be able to master LWC is be with me, keep watching the tutorials, not really skip stuff coming up, and really try to make sense of what I'm trying to explain. All right, we are going to start this February 1st, right? You'll start seeing these videos. This is just a brief introduction of the video, more like me setting up my pace. And yeah, so feel free to leave your thoughts, leave your questions on any and every video that you have. I know Lightning Web Components is a relatively new topic, but it is kind of the most sought after topic right now in Salesforce industry, and it is something that's very much in demand, and pretty much every company needs you to be able to write or build Lightning Web Components. All right, so let's start. Whether you're new, whether you're experienced, let's start from scratch. Let's start to make sense out of it. Let's walk away from this curriculum, from this masterclass, very confident on building Lightning Web Components. All right, and I would encourage each and every one of you, if you have not, I know most of you have, but if you have not, please subscribe the channel and start liking the video so that you are following up on this playlist. Feel free to start from chapter 1 and then move on to upcoming chapters, and that's how you'll be able to be in the right pace, the pace that I want you to be in, that will help you understand Lightning Web Components, LWC, better. All right, so that's all from me as part of this particular introduction video, and I would like to thank you guys again for always being supportive, always being very kind with your comments. I really love them. Feel free to continue to do so. Subscribe the channel, I'll just tell you one more time, and follow this particular playlist if you're wanting to start and learn Lightning Web Components. I know I have triggers, I have Apex, I have flows on the channel, but if you are just wanting to stick to Lightning Web Components and you're good with the other playlist, just stick to this playlist, start from chapter 1, and we'll together work it out. And in the next 4 to 6 months, my job would be to ensure that you are Lightning Web Component ready. All right, great. That's all I wanted to talk about in this particular very brief introduction video. I will start seeing you in the lectures upcoming. All right, so all the best to you, all the best to me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.